Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be designing this logo using Pixellab application. Pixellab is a cool application for graphic design. Anyway, let's just get right into today's tutorial. Okay, so the first we're going to do is to open Pixellab application, and then once we've opened it, we're going to click on shapes. Alright, then we're going to drag this radius to 100%, and we're going to reduce the opacity, and we're going to increase the stroke width to 15. Alright, then we click OK. Then the next we're going to do is to import a vector. Okay, I'm going to be using this particular one here. And I click OK. So now the next we're going to do is to erase the white color there. So all we just need to do is click on the erase color and click enable. And we're going to draw the tolerance to 26 and smooth edges to 2. Okay, then once we've done that, in order for us to change the color, we're going to create another shape and reduce the opacity, then join it together with the vector. So we click here and click OK. Then once we've done that, now we can now change the color, and I'm going to be using a gradient for it. So I'm using this particular one here, and I click OK. Then I'm going to reduce it a little and put it inside the circle. Alright, once I've done that, I'm also going to change the color of the circle. Okay, once we have done that, we're going to join it together. And we're going to reduce it a little and put it here. So we click on the text. And I'm going to change the font. Okay, I'm also going to change the color. I'll be using the same gradient I used. Alright, then once I've done that, I create another text. Okay, I'm also going to change the font also. Then once I've done that, I'm going to give spacing between the letters. Right, then we're going to increase it a little, and we're also going to change the color. Inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven. I found my bones. It gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. Guess it's time to get better. Okay, once we've done that, we're also going to create another shape, reduce the opacity, and join it together with the text we just created. So this and this. Now our reason for doing that is just so we can erase this dots here. Okay, once we finish erasing it, now we're going to import another vector. Okay, so we'll be using this vector here, and I'm going to reduce it a little. Okay, and put it there. Now I'm going to change the color. Alright, once we have done that, we create another text and bring it down. We change the font also, and we can also give space in between the letters, and we also change the color. Okay, then once I've done that, I'm going to import my social media icons. Alright, so I'll be using this one here. I'll reduce the size. Then I'll also create another copy of it and move it to another vector. Okay, once we've done that, we join the vectors and add Camellia together. Alright, so after we've done everything, we're going to join everything together. Okay, then the next we're going to do is to use change our background. So I'll be using a gradient for the background. Alright, once I've done that, I'm going to be using the 3D rotate also. So I take the x-axis to 35 and the y-axis to 15. I'm going to take rotate to Okay, 15 degree. Then once we've done that, we're going to add our 3D shapes. I'll take this to 8, darken 0%, and we're going to change the color. So we click on color, and we're just going to use a white color, okay, for it. Then once we've done that, we go to shadow, we click shadow, we click enabled. We take the offset X to 1, -1 and 1. Then emboss, we click enabled. We take bevel to 1, ambient light 100. Okay, then we'll just click enabled. So yeah, that's it. Then once we've done that, we're just going to click on save as image. Then we'll just click save to gallery and save on our phone. I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, please make sure to give the video a like right now, and also share the video with someone who you feel may find the video helpful. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please make sure to subscribe right now so you can see more videos like this. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next video.